Hey everyone, happy Memorial Day. In honor of Memorial Day, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a bald eagle with an American flag. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Memorial Day eagle and flag, let's begin with the eagle. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down. I'm going to bring this up and then down a little bit here. Kind of almost like a check mark shape. Next, for the eye, I'm going to bring this line down and then up. Then I'm going to do another one just like that. And then one more at the top, and I'm just going to color in this part here. Now, for the beak, I'm going to bring a line that's just going to curve up and down. Then I'm going to bring another line that's just going to curve down. And then I'm going to bring this over like this. I'm going to bring this down. We're going to go around and connect to here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line up. Then I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to curve this here, and then another one, and we're going to color this in. Make a little dot up here for the nose. Then over here, I'm going to curve a little line, and we're going to make a little line here for part of the mouth. Next, right here, I'm going to make some little points that are going to go around the head of our eagle. And then I'm going to make some that kind of come down like this. Then we're going to make some bigger points right here. Next, right here, I'm going to make some little points that come down. We're going to make a line down and a little zigzag, and then we're going to come up. We're going to come down, and we're going to curve this out to make a claw and come back. Then we'll make another one here. And we're going to make a little claw back here and up. Over here, we're going to come down, make some zigzags and up. We'll make two lines that come down. We'll make a claw here, and then one here, and bring this back. Draw a little line there. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and then up. Then I'm going to go down and up, down and up. Make another one down and up, and then down and up, and we'll kind of curve this around for the wing. We'll make another one here. We'll kind of bring this down, a couple little points, and then to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and up, and then down and up here for the tail. I'm going to give our eagle some eyebrows here. And then let's go ahead and curve some little claws on here. Next, let's make the flag back here. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that goes kind of up at an angle. We're going to come over, and then we're going to bring this down. We'll make a little circle at the top. Then I'm going to go down and down, and then kind of bring it back up. We're going to bring this down, and then same thing, kind of down, and then we'll just kind of connect it here. We'll make a little curve here. Then we'll make a line here and a line down. Then we'll curve a line here, curve one here. We'll make 2 lines here, and then we'll make 1 and then 2 lines here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a bald eagle with the American flag. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.